Vlogmas. Well, it's mini Vlogmas. So I really have been wanting to do a Vlogmas for years now, and I figured that this would be the best year for it. However, this month is insane and I am about to leave for Louisiana, so like house projects and whatnot are on hold. I'm finishing up a bunch of projects right now, so I thought that that would be really fun to share. And so I can't fully commit to one video every single day, but what I'm going to try to do is 2 to 3 videos every week until Christmas. So that's my goal. That is the plan here. I'm really excited. I do have a lot planned and a lot to share. But I also tried this back in October and I was in my first trimester of pregnancy and I was just so exhausted. So now that I'm in the second trimester, I think I have a better shot of doing 2 to 3 videos a week than I did back in October. That's just how things fell. So really excited to tackle Vlogmas and share a couple of videos about life and upcoming projects I'm currently working on that are primarily like woodworking projects. I'm in the scroll room currently and you can see that the wall is black, whereas it used to be blue. This makeover is actually going to be posted in January. I started filming it last month, maybe month before. All of the months roll together now, but it was either late October or early November whenever I started filming this initially. So this room and this makeover is going to be done in January. But for today, I have a ton of elf ornaments that I need to finalize and get those knocked out. This year, I did not promote it on my YouTube channel, but I did promote it on Instagram that I sold a bunch of elf ornaments. They're so cute. This is an idea that I had in my brain for about 2 years now, and I was so excited to finally be able to make a batch and sell quite a few of them. They will be back in 2024, but for now I have cut off all of the elf ornament orders. This is one of my batches. All of them need the little holes and then they need to be sanded on the back. The ornament string will be added and then I can do just a quick clear coat on top and these will be done. Last night and pretty much all day today, I've been working on my laser. I had so many laser issues last night and I think I finally have it mostly to where I need it to be. I've lasered quite a few of my little elves, so they're coming along, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 more to go. I have 4 elves left to laser. I have to apply finish to all of the elves as well. And then once those are done, I have 2 custom Christmas ornaments that I have to test and put on final pieces. I have 2 more elves to make. I have 1 more sign to glue up, and then I have 1 sign that needs my logo on the back and the hangman product, so that way they can hang it on the wall. And after that, I think I'm done woodworking for the rest of the year. Maybe whenever I get back, I'll have 1 more piece that I have to make for this particular room for the January makeover, but I think I get to like chill out on woodworking projects after tomorrow, so it'll be a lot of like shopping and fun things like that, which I'm really looking forward to. And then I have to like clean the house and like deep clean because I will be leaving, so going to go from woodworking to cleaning and then just a break for 2 weeks. elves have been lasered and clear coated. So now I'm going to just throw some string in all of these and they are done and ready to go out. Most of these are being hand delivered to family members, but I do have a few to ship out. I'll be working on shipping probably tomorrow. And I did not get to my customs today. However, I did a couple of tests and they're looking really good. So I'm excited about tomorrow. I'll actually be able to tackle them. And then I'm not gonna post my cousin's sign in this video because she'll probably watch it and she's gonna see it and I don't want her to see it. I've kept this sign a secret for months now. She really has no idea how it looks completely finished. So I'm very, very excited to give it to her. I've actually kept it from her fiance as well. He's seen a lot of the creative process and I have showed her what the backer looks like, but neither of them know how it's going to look and how it looks now. So that will be in a future Vlogmas whenever I'm over there. I'm going to make sure to put the sign and get their reaction in the video. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. It's been so hard to keep the secret from her. I literally share everything with her. So, to have kept the secret for so long has been a challenge. Also a challenge, putting string through these things. I think that through all of the tedious work of these elves, stringing them up is probably my least favorite thing. It's like the equivalent of threading a needle over and over again. If you've ever sewn anything or threaded a needle multiple times in your life, you totally get it. My string keeps fraying. Part of me does wonder if I should attach the string to a needle first and then put the needle through the little holes and see if that would be better. But I also think that that would just be more time consuming and slightly unnecessary. I've been leaving myself quite a bit of string because I have chunky fingers and every time I go to pull that knot, it loosens the whole string and have to start over again. So I try to just give myself as much room as possible. I have 2 spools of this gold and 2 of a silver color, which I haven't even started the silver color. For the base of every ornament, I've decided to finish the plywood by painting the edges. I typically don't enjoy painting, but since I've had to slow down a lot over the last 4 months, I found that it's actually made me feel really productive to paint. And it's also been incredibly calming, which I have been enjoying. Now that this first batch of ornaments is completely done, I am gonna call it a night for tonight, and that will be the end of this video. I'm gonna go grab a couple of video shots of these elves in the tree and share those next. But thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notifications if you want to get notified whenever I post, and give this video a thumbs up, as well as leave a comment telling me something in the comments. All of that really helps me. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.